Key differences in Python way, data processing way and machine learning way. Interested in designing AI engines? Subscribe to the author's channel and white paper for insightful content about the field. Share it with your friends who might be interested. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Here's a table summarizing the key differences between data processing and machine learning in Python. Aspect: data processing, machine learning. Goal: clean, prepare, and analyze data, build models to learn from data and make predictions. Techniques: data cleaning, transformation, visualization, model selection, training, evaluation, hyperparameter tuning. Libraries: pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Output: insights, summaries, visualizations, predictions, classifications, regression outputs. Combining data processing and ML. Data processing is a crucial step before applying machine learning algorithms. Clean, well-prepared data leads to better model performance. The processed data becomes the foundation for training machine learning models, and the insights gained from data processing can inform feature engineering and model selection. Example: imagine you have a dataset containing historical processing times for different items in a production line. Data processing: you might use pandas to clean the data, handle missing values, and calculate total process times. You could use visualization libraries like Matplotlib to explore trends in processing times across different items. Machine learning: based on the processed data, you could build a machine learning model, example random forest, to predict processing times for future items. This could help with production planning and resource allocation. In conclusion, Python offers a rich ecosystem of libraries for both data processing and machine learning. By understanding the distinct purposes and functionalities of these tools, you can effectively leverage them to extract valuable insights from data and build powerful machine learning models. Dashboard: AI-powered production optimization, a Python-based engine for efficiency and cost analysis. The video is titled AI-powered production optimization, a Python-based engine for efficiency and cost analysis. This dashboard provides insights into production optimization using AI and Python. Here's a breakdown of its components. 1 item detail: total process time, full rank table. Lists various systems, example air conditioning, brake system, electrical system, along with their total time taken and rank. Helps identify which systems are critical for optimization. 2 total and detail process time by item name. Visualizes the same systems with color-coded bars representing the time taken for completion in different ranks. Allows quick comparison and identification of bottlenecks. 3 pie chart. Shows the proportion of total process time taken by each system. Useful for understanding resource allocation. 4 legend. Correlates colors to system names, example air conditioning, brake system. Provides context for the pie chart. 5 rank specific tables. Lists item names under different ranks, example rank 1 completed, rank 2 not completed. Displays completion times for each item. 6 bar graph, more than mean rank total time. Highlights systems exceeding mean rank total time values. Indicates areas for potential improvement. Overall, this video dashboard empowers decision makers to optimize production processes efficiently, reduce costs, and enhance resource utilization. Thanks.